Welcome to Casara Urban Resort Residences. Feeling stressed out from your work? Take a deep breath, freshen up, and re-energize from your own world-class resort-type amenities such as lake-inspired swimming pool, water cascades, and bubblers, koi pans, sprawling gardens, outdoor play areas, and jogging paths. What a beautiful place to relax. Casara is located at Pasig City, Barangay Ugong. Ready for occupancy. Pili ka na lang kung saan ka, Tower 1, 2, 3, or 5. Kung nasa abroad ka at hindi mo pa siya magagamit, why not iparenta mo para yung pambayad mo ng monthly ay doon na manggagaling sa rent. Mag-down payment ka lang ng 5% and go! Pwede ka nang tumira or iparenta. May studio type, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. For studio type, for as low as 30,000 per month. For the 2 bedroom, 40,000 per month. For the 2 bedrooms, 60,000 per month. You deserve this. At tumataas pa ang presyo or value ng iyong property. Reserve and invest now. We have double discounts this April, kaya grab now. Something to look forward, investment, or home. Kaya kahit saan kang lupalop ng mundo at gusto mo mag-invest for condos, just message me, PM me, or email me. Para sa mga my senior citizen sa bahay, no worries kasi meron tayong elevator na view ang ating amenities sa Casara Garden. Why Casara? Because it's highly accessible. Strategically situated near major thoroughfares like C5 Road, Ortigas Avenue, and EDSA, offering you quick and easy access to key areas across Metro Manila. Just minutes away from Ortigas Center, Bonifacio Global City, BGC. Near top educational institutions, conveniently located near school like St. Paul College Pasig, Ateneo de Manila University, and UP Diliman. A smart choice for a families and students. For business person, excellent ito for investment. Bakit? Because it has high rental demand. Its prime location and desirable amenities attract a strong rental market, particularly young professionals, students. Maganda, convincing, attractive. Call now!